yeah, we're back out in the rig. We've actually made the decision to put this up for sale for various reasons. We'll probably do another video as to why. So yeah, we tried to go Holywell Bay. That was full. It's a bad time of day. It's midday-ish, so probably got no chance. Then we tried to go Perranporth, where we wanted to park, was full. So we've been pushed down to the rugby club and got parking here. So we're going to walk to the beach for the day. Ready?
Yeah.
You all right, baby? Can I get out?
But first things first, we need some leftover pizza.
Cheers.
Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. They say what they're gonna say. Have a drink, clink, grab the Bud Light. Then just like me, go on by. On one of our last videos, we was camping in this car park, which is super close to the beach, just down there with the dunes. This is actually a good spot. If you haven't seen that video, go and watch it.
There you go.
We've come around the back way, but I don't know if you can see so many people on the beach. It's summer and the tourists are here. Should we go to the rest of the beach now?
There it is.
This has found the jellyfish. Yep. Whoa.
That was so fun,
Let's do it again.
Okay. More. A little bit more. And then go. Up, kick, hard. Hard. Really hard. And your arms. And your arms. And your arms. Go, kick. Use your arms. Okay, ready? Go. Come on, you can do it. Be brave. Be really brave. Here we go. Off. Say bye, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
No, there's none. Sorry for girl me. Smile. You what? Oh, I think they have their babies there.
Daddy, you did
I didn't ditch you.
Yes, you did. Because I you.
So you guys on YouTube are hearing it first. We are selling our camper truck if you want it all together, or I'll split it. I'll have to do another video at some point, but have you seen some of our other videos? It's a killer truck. DIY truck camper. Power station, diesel heater, fully insulated. Privacy tint windows, everything pretty much. Seats 4. Yeah. Drop us a comment below what you think. And if you're interested, hit us up on social media or something like that. We've got it up for sale on there already.